So YouTube, you're sitting on the toilet, you've just been to the toilet, you've done what you need to have to do when you've done a number 2, a poop. You go to flush the toilet and that nightmare situation happens. It doesn't flush and you're around somebody's house or around a relative's, or you're at work or in a shop, in a restaurant. The ultimate embarrassment. You've got to walk out that door and there's a queue of people who want to use that toilet that you've just gone and blocked up. So what do? Well, you look around. You're going to have to unblock that, or you're going to have to face the embarrassment. So what can you do? There's nothing to unblock the toilet. There must be something. Have a look around. The first thing that you want, and this is going to be the main tool to get you out of this sticky situation, is the trusty toilet brush. Now that's going to be a lifesaver. Now there's one more thing that you're going to need to save yourself a lot of embarrassment. It's a plastic bag, a carrier bag, a shopping bag, anything. Just look around, look in the drawers, look anywhere, back of the doors, back of the toilet. There must be a plastic bag inside this bathroom. Or if you're at home, you could go downstairs and find a plastic bag easy. So let's have a look, see how easy it is to get rid of this clog from this toilet. So as you can see, YouTube, you've got up off the toilet, you've gone and flushed the toilet, and that's happened. Obviously, there's no poop in there. I'm not that disgusting. I've blocked it up purposely, but your toilet is going to be brown. There's going to be poop floating everywhere. It's going to smell. How can you leave the bathroom in that state? Embarrassment you're going to get when you walk out that door. So remember, find that toilet brush, find that plastic bag, and we're going to get rid of that now. This is going to be your lifesaver. Now look around. There must be a carrier bag. I'm just using an ordinary shopping bag. What you can do, and what you have to do, is stick the toilet brush in that plastic bag. You can add some toilet paper so you build the head up. So get your toilet paper, put a few lengths of it in there, and get your carrier bag so that toilet paper is on the brush. Wrap it around the brush and then tie it in a good knot. There you go. Add as much toilet paper in there as you can so you build the head up. Next up, we're going to flush that bad boy blockage out the way. Just remember, don't flush that toilet anymore when it's right at the top, because it's going to go right over your floor and you don't want that. So next up, get your toilet brush with your carrier bag or your plastic bag on there, and very carefully insert the toilet brush and then give it a plunge. First time though, look. Second time it's gone. That's how you unblock or unclog your toilet, using a toilet brush and a plastic bag filled with a little bit of toilet paper. Remember to stick the toilet brush and the plastic bag in the sink, because there'll probably be no end of poop on it. So and give that a wash in the sink. Now you can walk out the door and hold your head high that you've not caused yourself a load of embarrassment with the next person using the toilet. Remember to give a like, remember to share, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching.